Get into this look, honey. Get into this look, honey. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Fancy, honey, and now I'm back with another YouTube video. Sis, I'm about to show you how to slay your eyes, honey. Like, sis, get into this look. So, sis, if you want to know how to achieve this look, honey, these eyes, I'm going to break this look down in the easiest way possible. Because everything ain't beginner friendly. Everything on YouTube ain't beginner friendly, sis. Like, okay, so if you want to know how to achieve this glittery, I don't know, summerish, I don't know, I just try to do a nice spring summer look with a pop of color at the bottom. And I add like some glitter, a little glitter, not too much, on the lid. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, I'm jumping right into this video. Oh, wait a minute. You subscribe to my YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now. Turn on your post notifications, like, and leave the girl a nice comment at the bottom. Also, let me know what else you guys would like to see. So I'm jumping right into this video. If you want to know how to achieve this eye look, keep watching. Okay, so we about to get into this look, sis. I already did my brows off camera. Only thing I did was just fill them in and conceal them. Hold on, sis. Before you do your face, put some damn chip on the lips, baby. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is apply concealer to my lid. This will act as a base to help all of my eyeshadow colors stick once I get to blending everything out. It's very important to go ahead and apply a base. You can use a eyeshadow base, but right now, since the fact that I'm going to cut it later, well, not really cut my crease, I'm going to add another base on top, but concealer acts as a good base when wanting to apply eyeshadows.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Okay, what I just did was add a darker brown, or you can use any brown of a darker shade to add in the outer corner of your eye. It's going to allow all your colors to transition. Here I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I freaking love all their palettes. Very pigmented and true to colors, but I would definitely recommend using a primer with these eyeshadows. It will make them pop a little bit more. So now I'm taking a darker shade, maybe I could say this like a darker orangey autumnish color, and I'm blending it on top of that brown that I did on my outer corner. This is going to help the color just transition in. Like it'll just make your whole eye look flow when you add different dimensions of color.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Okay, ladies, after you are done blending your desired transitioning colors in your outer corner into the top of the crease, the next important thing you want to do is apply primer. I know you're probably thinking, like, didn't I just apply a primer with the concealer? Yes, you can use as a primer as the base, but applying a primer on top of that, and also cutting, I won't say I'm cutting my crease here. I'm basically just creating a spot to apply my colors. And so my colors can stand and stick out. You can cut your crease at this time if you would like, but it's really not a need. So I just use this Morphe eye primer. I think the primer is like $4. And I'm going to apply it to both of my lids. and just, you know, brush through it smoothly. I would recommend like a flat paint style brush to apply this primer. Again, if you're not really trying to cut your crease, you can apply this primer with any type of brush, in my opinion. Okay, now into the fun part. I'm finally adding my color to the lid. At this time, you can add your golds, you can add your bronzy browns, create your rainbow, whatever you want to do in your lid, sis. Your eye's now prepped to add color. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a lighter shade. I always take a lighter shade and put it in my tear duct at the beginning of my eye to make my color pop or stand out more. So the type of colors I like to add right here is something like, maybe something like a pop, like a white gold or a gold. If you're doing colors, whatever is your lightest color, you can put here in a tear duct. Now I'm taking my color, this like a rose gold, and I'm putting it on the lid. And I'm just kind of patting the product into my lid. I'm not really wiping the color. If you want your color to show up more, pop more, last longer, you want to kind of pat the product into the lid, and that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to do that on, of course, both of my eyes.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Okay, next we are adding a little glitter to the eye. So what I use to add the glitter to my eye is the NYX glitter primer. You can get this from Ulta. You can get it from your local beauty supply store. You can get it off the website. You can get it off any place that have the NYX makeup counter stand. You can get it from. I'm going to use it to apply the little glitter on my eyes. As you can see, the glitter is sticking. Like, you see how that glitter primer just gave my eye a whole new pop? Like, look at that. Look at that.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero.
Okay, I went ahead and applied my lashes and my liner off camera. Get into the skin though, sis. But yeah, I went ahead and applied my lashes and my liner off camera. What I'm about to do is show you guys how I apply my liner at the bottom of my eyes. I use the more primer, of course. So the trick I'm going to show you guys is I put a little primer on my hand. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little color and I'm going to dab it and I'm going to mix it in with the primer to create this little teal blue I'm going to use underneath my lid. So anytime you want to make a color at the bottom of your eye pop and you don't want to spend extra money on colored primer, you can make your own colored primer. You can use your pink if you want to use an orange. You can, whatever color you want to use. Put a little primer on the back of your hand. It's going to melt it a little bit from the blood that's circulating in your hand and dab the color on top of that primer and kind of stir and mix it. And it's going to create you a color liner. And the primer is going to help your color stick underneath your eye a little longer, and it's going to make it pop.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going.
Get into this look. We're about to go to the living room, to the grocery store. Because where else could we go? Where else could we go? To Bella Noche?